Morning, let's get ready for work. Cup of the day. Let's go. I love my work so much. I work as like a service person at events. Service person. I don't know what else to call it. English words don't come easy to me today. But we basically clear all the tables, we clean everything up, like we make sure the guests are comfortable and everything is clean and nice and they have food and water and everything they want. And it is so fun because I can choose when I work. Like we have an app and I can choose what days I want to work. Second reason I love my job is that we're all students. We're all kind of the same age. So I'm making like new friends every time I work. It is always different people. Well, no, it's always kind of the same people, but there's always new people to meet. You always kind of see the same faces, so you can say like, hi. But then you can also make new friends, so that is very fun. I have never done a get ready with me because I'm not a makeup queen. And I'm not a sit down girl for my makeup. Okay, I need to do the eyeliner in the bathroom. I'm back. This is not my best work, but whatever. Third reason I love my job is that we are always at different locations and we're always at different events. So even if I have to wake up early, which sometimes I have to wake up at like 4, 4:30 or 5, or today was like 6, I don't dread waking up because I don't really know what's to come because it's always a new event. So it's always kind of the feeling of like waking up early to go travel, you know, because you never know what's gonna come. I don't like to wake up early, but I feel like if I would have to wake up early and go to the same place every day, I would dread it. But since I'm not working every day and I also work at different locations, it's just fun. Just fun vibes, you know? Fourth, I love my job because we get the leftover food. And this shit is so good. Because, you know, it's always like very important events, so important people are there, so they need to get some good food, and we get some good leftovers. Yesterday, I ate Caesar salad with chicken, and I had carrot cake. I'm saving so much money with that too. I thought of another reason. I'm getting to see so many places of my city that I would not normally see. I live in Berlin, so it is such a huge city, and even though I've lived here for 18 years now, every time I go out, I'm in some street that I've never been before, and I'm like, where are we? Is this Berlin? That's crazy. And you just kind of know what's going on. And there is so much happening in Berlin. It is just fun to see what's happening in your own city. And it's always very interesting events. So I love to be there. Only thing I don't like about the job is I cannot wear my jewelry. I'm wearing this and I'm wearing this because I can't take that off. But I'm not allowed to have nails. And I'm not allowed to have like a lot of jewelry. And you know that I love to wear my jewelry and I always wear a lot of jewelry. That kind of sucks, but you know what? I don't care and I get it. Like when you work with food, you can't have everything just like hanging around on your body. So that does make a lot of sense. Oh, also my outfit. I have an all black outfit. I like how I look in black. I'm gonna show you in a second. Oh, also I need to have my hair in a ponytail at all times. And I don't like how I look with my hair up. That's the only other con. But really, those are all like very luxury problems and I have nothing to complain about. Okay, outfit. This is the outfit. And I love it so much. Thank you so much for listening to me talk. And let me know if I should make more of these videos because that was kind of fun. I didn't think it would be that fun. Okay, love you. Bye. Mwah.